Hello guys, today we're back with another video. Today I'll show you my Lego pirate ship that I actually built from the other last two videos. It was from, it was created by my little sisters. And you can tell it was made by me. It is super long. And it even has those statue things at the front. And this is my flag. Let me get rid of the top. So this guy is hanging from top with an Ninjago sword. And this guy is guarding this treasure chest. Oh, we have to take off this part off because it's always falling apart. And this is the guy who protects the treasure chest. Like this guy in a sword. A treasure chest is very hard to move. And here it is. The treasure chest includes a crown, this jewel, and two bars. And we have this guy. He fires the cannon. I don't know what he does, but he does fire the cannons, and I don't know where our Lego set he came from. Because I was a little baby when I got him. This is the steering wheel, especially car wheel. It meets my character. It's a ghost sword. And I have a ghost sword. Look at it. And this guy has his hat. It's just a carbo hat, but it's very perfect for my Lego. I'll put it on the other hand. And this guy, we created our own special characters for the captains, except for my little baby, for my little sister. And the pirate ship is about. It's too big and I can't even fit. There's the end. It goes all the way at the back. And it's big. Really big. Now let's go on the other side to see what does this guy do. So now you know what this guy does. He fires this cannon. And this will be the end of the video. Bye.